Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW with N20 engine. That N20 engine has been used in multiple BMWs guys. Anything from 1 series, 2, 3, 4, 5 series BMW to X1, X3, X4, X5 and even Z4 other BMWs guys, multiple BMWs. If you want to know the Serpentine Belt diagram, common mistakes people make, actually 2 common mistakes that can end up spending thousands of dollars in damages, or in some cases you will be doing the job again. Stay with us, we'll explain all that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Because guys, our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools, anything for your BMW guys, anything practically, or other cars, and you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where you can get tools, parts from. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So this is our belt, old belt that just snapped. We made a video that explains how long you can drive without serpentine belt, okay, and how often to replace serpentine belt. So check it out, very important video. Always use good quality belts, because you don't want to actually guys have the belt snap on you while being somewhere in the middle of nowhere, because you will not be able to drive for long without one. You might be lucky to drive some distance, but we have a video that explains how long. Another thing, things that people need to always replace when replacing the belt. You need to replace the tensioner as well, and the tensioner, make sure you get new bolts. Those are torque specific bolts that you need to replace as well. Next, make sure when you install the belt guys, that it aligns in every groove, every channel that you see. For here you can see on the alternator, AC compressor, and on the crankshaft pulley. If it doesn't align, that belt will be rubbing against the AC compressor, alternator, it could be rubbing against the timing cover, and that belt will start falling apart. It can tangle around the front crankshaft seal. That can cause multiple problems, such as bad crankshaft seal, oil leak. You can leak quite a bit of oil if you don't pay attention. You may run the engine out of oil. You can destroy AC compressor and alternator as well. Multiple things. In some cases you can even break cooling hoses if the belt keeps flopping, and that can overheat the car and you can destroy your engine guys. So always make sure it aligns correctly. The diagram now, it's pretty simple. It goes from the crankshaft pulley, goes to the AC compressor. From there it goes to the right here to the alternator, then to the tensioner pulley. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.